This is the Sony A5100, okay? I just got this camera because I want to do some vlogging because of the nice flip screen it has. I heard that the audio wasn't that great, so I'm planning to put some some wind muffs up here. But this camera so far, it's alright. It hasn't been that great because right now I'm using the G7 over there with my Sigma lens, and it's horrible for autofocus, so I don't know. I probably wanted something a little smaller, and this camera might just do that for me. So some quick overview, I guess. Memory slot on the side over here. This is where the memory card goes, right there, y'all. Batteries underneath, y'all. For most of you guys who don't know that, like, you guys must know because you guys probably watching a lot of videos. So anyways, so this is the video. Let me turn it on. So right now, this is what you guys are seeing. This is what I'm shooting on right now. This is what I'm shooting on right now. See, looks that. There you go. I kind of really like the image quality coming out of this so far, but I did a quick little vlog with this so you guys can see, and I'm about to do that right now. What is going on, guys? So back at it again. We're out here vlogging. Now I'm testing this out. Oh my god, there's no room. I'm kind of overexposed a little bit, but you know the camera sucks sometimes because it's a Sony. But everyone likes Sony, right? Kenisha loves her Sony, but I'm not a fan of Sony. But I'm gonna try out Sony for a while and see what I can vlog. We're testing the audio because I heard the audio really sucks because you know the little audio is over here, top of the camera. Kenisha looks like she's miserable, or she's like, oh, too fucking early for this, and I have no makeup on camera. Stop putting a camera in my face. Right now, about to get some stuff because you know your boy needs some stuff, and yeah, let's go.
$3 goes up.
All right, they add up super fast.
Like, it doesn't even look like it would go up to that.
Wait, it does.
I know, it's Jack checking himself out in the video. That's so funny.
And we're back! Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you guys noticed that the framing has changed because now I am on the Sony. Let me just show you guys this. So now you guys can see that this framing has changed because I'm now on the Sony. There it is. Let me record my G7. The Sony has the kit lens, by the way. Kit lens that comes with it. And I think it's doing a pretty damn good job. I mean, for the price I bought this for, can you guys believe this? $250. Yeah, and it's not that bad. Autofocus works really nice, like compared to the G7. I can like legit put something up and it'll focus on it. Look at that, see what I mean? And then it goes right back to my face. Beautiful. Now I don't know how good the audio is. I haven't like edited the audio at all in post for this one. This is pure audio straight out of the camera, and there is like my computer right next to like my setup over there, but it's not that bad. I don't know, this camera, the battery life honestly is not that great. Just I'm sure you knew that already. But if you're looking for something like for short, like quick little vlogs, like most people like little clips of their vlogs, like what, under a minute. Usually you show it when you need your day. So if you're doing just a little short little vlogs, like why not? Camera is probably gonna be great. If you can deal with the audio, like I'm sure you can edit the audio in post. Like right now I'm gonna edit the audio. So tell me what you guys think. I'll put a little deeper bass right now. Hopefully it sounds a little better with the audio edited. I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. If you guys can pick this up for under 300 bucks, it's a steal. I think you should honestly get it. Because my reasoning, I'm going on a trip pretty soon and I wanted something with good autofocus and I didn't want to spend a lot of money. So I got this for 250 bucks with the lens, charger, everything. Like pretty much brand new. I think you definitely should, if especially gonna vlog, like little short clips, like I said. That's it. If you're gonna do something longer than that, do not get this camera. Like, this camera starts overheating after like 5 minutes. Honestly, it's true. It's true. Do not get this camera if you're planning on doing long record sessions, okay? Do not get it. But I find it's really nice because like I'm looking, looks like I'm looking slightly up above the screen, but I can look straight to the lens and know that I'm in focus. Like, this has to be one of Sony's best cameras. If it had a damn little, you know, microphone hot shoe on top or whatever, but the 1080p out of it, I think looks really nice. Like, I know I'm recording at 30 frames right now, the whole video is in 30 frames, but this looks really good for it. Damn, like for 250 bucks Canadian, that's dirt cheap. Like I said, if you guys can find under 300 bucks or under 200 bucks, that's great. Other than the battery life, this camera's a great little camera. It's gonna be my little vlogging camera for a while. I'm gonna test it out because I don't want to bring this out. Normally I don't have this big ass shoe on it, but I don't want to bring that out anymore. And the autofocus is not that great. And plus, this has a wider field of view with the kit lens, 16 mil. That's the other problem with this though. It's 3.5. But you guys probably knew that already. But anyways, that's it. If you guys enjoyed that video, let me know. Comments down below. And yeah, make sure you guys subscribe for more stuff like this because I like doing tech reviews, I guess. But anyways, I'm out. Peace.